In this video, I hope to give you solution. iPhone screen not coming, iPhone touch screen not working solution. First of all, you can remove the nails and you can try to remove the display. In this video, I hope to show it. Okay, you can see some cables. You can disconnect and reconnect it again. Sometimes it may works because sometimes it is not working. You have to wait several times. It is not working. Okay, I hope to remove them just like this. It is very simple. I hope to insert another. This is new display. You have to wait several seconds because all connectors should be attached, essential connectors. You can see, I hope to turn on phone. You can see battery is low. You have to wait several seconds. It is charging. You can see Apple logo is loading. You can see in this video I hope to show you it is touch is working. Now I hope to remove essential part of previously removed old display. It means fingerprint and earpiece. You can see I hope to remove them. You can remove such parts and you can insert them into a new display, new metallic frame. You have to wait several seconds. I will show you everything. You can fit them just like this and you can fit it into the phone. Now you can see it is working. Charging will take several seconds. You can see it is working very well. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. We are cordially invite you to subscribe our YouTube channel to get new technical updates.